How to use Google Drive offline. In order to use Google Drive offline, you will enable offline access in the Drive settings on your mobile device or computer and ensure you have enough storage. You can create, open, and then edit. So what you could do is actually to enable this, you have to make sure to download and install Google Drive first of all, and then open the Google Drive app on your device and find the files that you want to access offline. This is the file that I want to access offline. Then you just need to tap on the three dot icon and you want to make sure to click on make it available offline. So when you do this for the rest of the other file or folder, you will be able to use Google Drive offline. But there's a very limited feature. You cannot use Google Drive offline while you're sharing a document file or while you're uploading a content. So you have to make sure to be connected to internet. Only the items that you've marked as available offline, that can only be accessible while offline. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.